In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Circle to Search on Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Let's grasp what Circle to Search entails. It enables you to search for information about anything visible on your screen, whether it's text, images, or objects in videos, by circling or scribbling around them. Now, let's explore how to use it. Firstly, ensure that your Pixel is up to date. To do so, open the Settings app, navigate to System, and tap on System Update. Then, tap on Check for Update at the bottom right corner. If an update is available, install it. Once your smartphone is updated, proceed to Settings. Then, go to Display, and under the Appearance section, tap on Navigation Mode. If you've chosen Gesture Navigation, tap on the gear icon beside it. Turn on the toggle next to Hold Handle to Search. If you are using 3-button navigation, tap on the gear icon beside it. Here, toggle on Hold Home to search. After completing these steps, open the content you wish to search. Next, long press the gesture bar or the Home navigation button. Using your finger, encircle the element you want to search. Google will then analyze your selection and present relevant search results. Having mastered the use of Circle to Search, why not elevate your tech skills further? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these videos for even more tech enjoyment.